everyone, this is Kiva Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa ng reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. Happy birthday, our beloved Belinda. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Charis. Ulitin mo'y pangyahay mo. Ay, alagang-alaga talaga siya ni Donnie. Sa totoo lang. Ay, ano to? Bago to? Ay, hindi. Nag-perform ba si Belle sa It's Alone?
Paolo Avellino.
Ay, bakit naman puro Kim Pao tong lumalabas? Sorry Ay, ano to, ma'am?
Vietnam.
Donnie Belle? Ay, pinunta ko. Consistent talaga. Sinundo ni Donnie? Sinundo siya, no? Sinundo ni Donnie si Belle? Paalis na sila. Ayun si Belle, pinupuntahan talaga ni, puntahan nyo natin. Ayun na. Group na lang, kasi busy sila
Kim Chiu at Paolo.
Ayan na.
That's the thing,
What is this?
That's the thing, it's a question na, are you in love with me or are you in love with the thought of me?
Wow.
Diba?
Alam mo yung bilib na bilib yan. Alam mo yung one thing that I noticed about Belle, the way siya magsalita, yung conviction niya, alam niya kung anong sinasabi niya Diba? Matalino talaga siya. Even Donnie pero kay Belle talaga, may diin Diba? Ang puwersa ng salita niya, parang alam mo yung very impactful.
That's the thing, it's a question na, are you in love with me or are you in love with the thought of me?
Wow.
Diba? So, why? It's true.
Grabe, nakakagulat
Why,
naman
it's
mga to.
true.
It's true because some people lang are staying in the relationship for the sake of it. Because you're in love with the routine, you're in love with the thought of like, hey, this could be us, or the potential of the relationship. But are you really in love with the person? And that's a question we should all, like, in the relationship, ask ourselves, are we really in love with that person that we're with? More than what we can be.
No, I agree. It's not how long you've been together. It's really how deep the relationship is. As long as you guys are still aligned, as long as you guys are still, on the same page, I think that's what's most important. But I get what you mean though. It's easier said than done because you get so comfortable.
Yeah.
It's like routine-like. Parang, yun na yung comfort zone nyo. Parang sobrang dali na lang, familiar na kayo. And that's where it gets kind of tricky because if it does get toxic, your other side of your brain's telling you, but it's okay because you guys have been together. So, yun yung parang I think isa sa mga pinakamahirap na sitwasyon.
Catch the new episodes of the Bear Doll podcast every Monday and...
Nabiti naman ako. Nabiti
Sa
naman
question
ako
na, are you in
doon. Ay, wait. Ito close up. An emotional Dawn Bell right after the viewing of tayo sa wakas. Umiyak talaga sila. Ay, Donnie! Si Donnie ba umiyak sa iba? Parang wala, no? Parang si Donnie lang yung... Parang iniwakan talaga ni Donnie si Belle. Chaps! Ang eyeliner daw. Okay. Ay. Wait lang, panoorin pa natin ito. Ano pang mga latest dito for today's video? Ay, bakit naman sobrang baba? Ito. Oh my God, hindi pa natin ito napanood.
Ano yung paborito mong lutuin ngayon?
Ay, hindi pasta. Napanood na natin ito kahapon. Ay, Ru, isa pa, Belle. Ayoko na tama. Ayoko na tama na yan. Sabi niya, si Donnie. Imagine. Imagine, gumagano na si Donnie. Imagine. Okay na yan. Nahiya na siya. Nahiya na siya for today's video. Saan dalahin? baby.
You've been single.
Oh my God, ipanood ko na din yan. Wait. Ito. Oh my, di ba? Baby. Alam mo si Donnie, pagkaharap si Belle, nagiging baby boy siya.
So,
Yung mga facial expression niya, tingnan na. Diba? As in, yung mga facial expression, nagiging baby boy talaga siya, I swear. Baby boy talaga siya. Wala na. Saan dalawin? Memorize niya. Cute yung facial expression niya, I swear. Ay,
Hi, Miss Belle. Hi, Don.
Miss Don. Okay.
You know what, Carla? I'm
Ay, ano to? Ay, okay.
Kahit na magtago,
Wait.
kahit na magtago, hindi
Nila
tatakbo.
takbo.
Pagkat
Kay Donnie na boses yan, di ba?
pinggan ng puso ko.
Kahit na magtampo,
Oh, I love that.
hindi lalayo.
Ang ganda ng boses ni Beth.
Siguro. Kahit na magtago,
Hindi tatakbo.
Kahit na magtago,
Ay, what is the meaning of this? Ano to, ma'am? Ma'am, ano to? Kailangan natin ito malaman kung ano to, ma'am. Si Tony mo, tigtigil daw ni jowa talaga siya. Jowa talaga siya, ma'am. Ay, si Belle, yung kamay talaga ni Belle malikot. Palagi na lang sa braso talaga ni Johnny.
Titas of Donwell, Iloilo.
See you sa black screen. Mwah.
Titas of Donwell, Iloilo.
Titas of Don Iloilo.
hindi tatakbo.
Ay, ito, gusto ko talaga to. I swear. Ang cute. Ang cute. Long cute, soccer.
picture with Barney. Okay, Barney.
Super cute. Ay, grabe yung tangkad ni Donnie. Totoo ba? Tangkad nga. Diyos ko, dahil difference. Anyways, this is all for today's video from Donwell Compilation. This is Kiyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!